Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another video for today. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend so far. Welcome back to another Tesla weekly video, the last one before the next earnings report. And so as you can see with the stock price throughout the week, yes, we've been sometimes a bit behind the market, but overall it's been a pretty okay week. I think the market is waiting for that earnings report to make the next major step, whether it's down or up. So stay tuned for that. Of course, I'll cover that next week. Now in this video I want to talk about numbers out of China, some other numbers throughout the world. We're going to talk a bit about India and why a lot of companies would like to invest in India, not just Tesla. So let's get right into this. Alright, so first up, the cars the world wants to buy by Auto Trader. So Tesla came out as the car brand people are looking to buy the most across the world. It was the most Googled car for sale in 39 countries, according to Auto Trader. It came first in the United States in 25 of 50 states, so you get 50%, as well as Canada, France, Spain, Germany, Australia, UAE, and Scandinavia. With that last one, not really surprising. Then, out of China, there were 3,200 Tesla insurance registrations that were reported in the week between 3 and 9th of July. And as for the whole of June, Tesla production numbers from Giga Shanghai were over 80,000. Production was slightly higher than last month, but since wholesale local sales plus export was much higher, this reduces inventory in China by 13,000, and it's only 1 day worth of inventory. Then with regards to the Model Y, it was June's best-selling car in China, the UK, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Netherlands, Switzerland, Finland, Ireland, and Iceland. And by the way, this is best-selling car, not best-selling BEV. Then, as you know, we've seen this last week when I covered the whole of the month of June. So after the first half of the year, we now have 22 countries that have already sold more Tesla cars year to date than they did all of last year. These countries account for 12% of Tesla's global Q2 sales. So Thailand, Estonia, Hungary, Denmark, Croatia, Czech Republic, Netherlands, Poland, Finland, Belgium, Ireland, Bulgaria, Portugal, Italy, Greece, Australia, Iceland, Sweden, Spain, Romania, Luxembourg, and Turkey. So congrats to the team at Tesla. Up next, since earnings is coming up, so Piloli took here the averages of a couple of people that have already an EPS estimate for Tesla's Q2 earnings. So if you want to have a look, here you go. And as for a better visualization of Tesla's price target, old and new, we've got this for you as well. By the way, the size of the bubbles indicate the age of the price target. The smaller the bubble, the older the target. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have not, we're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So thank you very much for all the support. And if you want to support me even further, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. Now, with regards to investment in India, so Tesla is looking to make about 500,000 EVs annually in India, according to Times of India. Tesla is discussing an investment proposal with the Indian government to set up a factory with an annual capacity to produce about 500,000 electric vehicles. Now we know that talks have been ongoing with India for a while. It's not, in my opinion, a question of if this will happen, but again, a question of when that will happen. And in a meeting last month, of course, between Elon Musk and the Indian Prime Minister, he pushed the car maker to make a significant investment in the country. Then we had this news that Indian Finance Minister is not considering any tax waivers for Tesla. Now, of course, this sounds negative, but he also says here, any duty waiver for Tesla is not under active consideration of the Department of Revenue as of now. So maybe not now, maybe in the future it will. And then continuing here in India, Tesla supplier Panasonic is in talks with government for setting up battery manufacturing unit in India. Does that surprise you? No, it does not. Partners of Tesla following the trend here, following their moves, working together much faster, much better as well, is no surprise. And then staying in India as well, BYD apparently will propose a $1 billion India plan to build EVs and batteries. So it was reported that BYD has submitted a $1 billion investment proposal to build electric cars and batteries in India in partnership with a local company. 3 people with direct knowledge of the plan told Reuters. Then one of the last things here, Tesla will start selling its Cybertruck-inspired electric quad bikes for kids in China starting at $1,670. Two extra things I want to touch on before we conclude this video. So this is a tweet by Alejandro. So he says here, this is by far the most important Tesla chart of 2023, bar none. Each percentage point of margin is approximately $1 billion of net income for Tesla. Of course, remains to be seen if there really is a margin reversal already happening right now, and if it's not right now, it will be in the next one. But the main point here is its percentage points of margin is another $1 billion of net income for Tesla. That's just insane. And last thing here, this is about Tesla's cash position, so net cash to OPEX in the trailing 12 months. So Majur said here that Tesla is flushed with cash, which now stands at 2.8 times trailing 12 months operating expenses, and this dwarfs their Nasdaq peers. He gives us a couple of comparisons here: Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta. You can see the big difference. And so to conclude, all eyes are on the next week's earnings report. Of course, throughout the week right now, we've had the launch of XAI, the launch of Thread, competition on Twitter, Twitter creators getting their paychecks, so there's a lot of noise surrounding that. But with Tesla right now, I would say that we're in a pretty good place. Let's wait and see what happens next week. What are your expectations? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you all in the next one, which is probably on Monday. Bye bye.